Welcome to the video. Today, we're responding to a subscriber's request and showing you how to build a backtest that uses the price action of one security to test another. In this example, we'll walk through how to build a backtest for USO, based on the price action of gold. Let's get started. First, go to My Indicator and click Create New Indicator. In the Categories field, select Symbol OHLCV, then enter Gold in the Symbol field and choose Symbol Close. Name the indicator Gold Close and save it. You've now created an indicator based on gold's price action. Next, go to Backtest Edge, select USO from the Symbol drop-down menu, and set the backtest period to 10 years. You can adjust other settings as needed, or leave them at the default. Now, let's set up your entry and exit conditions. For the entry conditions, select User's Own Indicator from the Type drop-down menu, then choose Gold Close from the Indicator menu, and set the indicator value to 21-day period range rank less than 1. This means you'll enter a trade in USO when gold's 21-day period range rank drops below 1. For the exit conditions, set the time and market to 21 bars. This helps limit the duration of trades and manage risk. Click Run Backtest and wait for the backtest to process. Once it's complete, the results will appear in the Results tab, showing detailed charts with buy and sell signals for USO. You can follow the same steps to create similar backtests for other assets. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, feel free to email us at admin@sentimenttrader.com.